Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox this Realme C11 2021 mobile. So this is the latest release from Realme. Uh, this got 5000 mAh battery and 6.5-inch display and octa-core processor plus 32 GB large storage. You can extend this by inserting the card slot as well, and this is supporting WCDMA, LTE, LTE, and yeah, what else? Yeah, that's all. So let me quickly unbox this now. Yeah, we got some paperwork. Yeah, paperwork. Some paperwork. Yes, we have mobile. This is power charger, and we got the power brick, which is 10 watt. Yeah, 10 watt charger. And what else? Yeah, nothing like this. Quickly unwrap this. Yeah, it got pretty much back cover as well. So protective back cover. Yeah, it's a material. I mean, it's aluminum or plastic, not sure. Seems to be it's plastic. And we have one camera. And yeah, let me switch on this. So Android. So basically, Realme is the latest phone model which has been introduced in India. So this is pretty much a low budget mobile phone, and yeah, it's like kind of pretty much same to the Samsung, I guess, like the appearance and everything. They are trying to trying to compete the Samsung market, I hope. Let me quickly start here. Connect to the mobile network, skip. And let me quickly set up offline. Location. Skip. So it's quite fast. Yeah, it's loaded. Let me quickly go through to the settings. Yeah, language settings and secrets, systems, storage. We have 32 GB inbuilt memory, and out from, as you can see, the 2 GB RAM. So pretty much the RAM is good comparing to the price. So 2 GB is like quite good, and the yes 32 GB and processor is octa-core. Yeah, so pretty much like it's saying dark themes. So all the Android features are available, I mean with the latest feature. So it's quite fast, so comparing, yeah, I have used a Redmi phone previously, but compared to that Redmi phone, this is quite good. So appearance and touch sensitivity, so all pretty much good. So yeah, so I guess this is a good phone. So this is around uh, 20,000 rupees in Sri Lanka. The camera also, let me quickly check the camera. Yeah, video quality is not good, quite good, but compared to the other versions it's quite yeah, they have all the common options, the burst, portrait, panorama. Yeah, it's quite good phone. Yeah, the finish, the material finish and everything is good, and with the back cover, good. Yeah, so that's all. Like hope you guys enjoy this video, and see you soon with my next video.